Okay, here we have a club car Powerdrive 3 charger, 48 volt. There's the model 26580. I've opened this thing up. Well, let me show you the inside of it. Make sure nothing's plugged in. This is the relay board. This actually has a circuit board, so that's the relay board. Here are the two heatsink assemblies. Big coils of transformer. There's the DC cord, the heavy one coming in. Here's the breaker right there, the 110 breaker. Now we're going to do videos on how to repair these, and we're going to make a whole series of them. And then here's a fuse. See it back in there? This is the back side of it. And this one has a 15 amp meter in it. Now, anytime, nothing's plugged in right now on this charger, but I want to show you. I'm going to be plugging this into my charger board, which will simulate a golf cart. But what I want to show you is, anytime you plug this cord into the cart on a club car, you should hear a relay click in here. So I'm going to try to do this so you can hear the click. Now I'm getting ready to plug it in. Now listen. That's me pulling in and out so you can hear that relay clicking. That means the 48 volts is activating this relay. Now, I haven't plugged the 110 in yet, that's why the needle hasn't moved. But the problem on this one is this meter is bad. It still works, but it's not right. Because when you plug this in and it comes on, it should go way over there close to the 15. But this one actually pegs. So let me show you. Let me get over here and plug this in. Okay, that's plugged in. There you go. See how the needle now is pegged way over to the right? So this transformer is on and charging right now, but that needle is inaccurate. Now, if we stood here and watched this, when this thing starts working its way down, when it gets down around here, it starts bouncing back and forth. The needle kind of won't stay still. So we're going to replace this right now. After I unplug it, I'm going to show you the back of it. There's only 2 wires on it. It's a force fit. Let me unplug this so I don't... You're going to see that this thing is a force fit. See those little plastic arms? As you push in from the front, they spread out, and that's what holds it in. So I'm going to put this camera down, push these in, and pull this meter out. Okay, I just pulled this out. This is the old meter. 2 wires. Those are the force fit clips. This is what it looks like. So now I'm going to put, where's the new meter? I'm going to put this new meter in. This is the new meter, see it? So I'm going to just push it in this hole like this. I'll snap it in, and then I'll hook the 2 wires up, and we'll plug the charger in and see if we fix this. I'm going to try to do this while I'm on camera with one hand so I can show you what I'm trying to do here. Okay. So see, I've almost got it in there. There, forced it in there, all flush. Okay, so that's in. Now we're going to hook up these 2 wires in the back. The white one was on this terminal. The red one was on this terminal. There you go. Red wire, white wire. So now, let's see if we fix this thing. Plug in the charge thing first to hear the click. Got the click. Now we're going to come over here, plug the charger in here. Yeah, baby, can you see it now? It's not pegged to the right. It lines up exactly with the 15, and it's on, it's humming. So that was just a quick meter repair on this, or replacement, but we're going to do a whole series on chargers, and we'll do more information on this one, this Powerdrive 3, and we'll eventually show you how to troubleshoot it and how to replace certain parts, okay? So as you can see, it's pretty easy to change the meter, just about any part on this Powerdrive 3 charger. So hopefully this video will give you a little insight to the inside of a Powerdrive 3. Just make sure that when you're working on it, it's not plugged into the wall or to the charger, okay? So hopefully you'd like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit that bell so you get future notifications, and leave a comment if you want. If you'd like to see us put a video out for any other electric golf cart, go ahead and suggest it, and we'll see if we can do it for you.